In this video, we'll cover the unboxing, installation process, internal components, safety features, and preparing to configure the CTEK Chargestorm Connected 3. Please ensure you have the relevant tools to carry out the installation. The Chargestorm Connected 3 comes with a Getting Started manual and all the basic accessories needed to installing the charger. Place the Chargestorm Connected 3 on a flat surface and unlock the charger. A plastic safety cover protects all internal connections. This allows the front lid to be opened safely without exposing electrical components. The front lid is designed to be easily removed and refitted for maintenance. When installing, ensure you leave enough space beneath the unit so the lid can refit correctly. After opening the front panel, remove the screws and plastic safety panel. Once inside the Chargestorm Connected 3, you'll find high-quality, branded modular components. Each part is replaceable, meaning individual components can be changed without replacing the entire charger. This modular design improves sustainability and reduces long-term maintenance costs. The Chargestorm Connected 3 is easy to install and can be either wall or pole mounted. In this installation, the unit is mounted directly to a wall, using the provided mounting template. Mounting the charger using the 4 fixing points and guide marker specified by the template ensures simple alignment of the charger and a secure and reliable installation. Remember to use the rubber gasket and washers provided in the installation kit. The unit includes pre-prepared knockouts for cable entry. A supplied cable gland accommodates a wide range of cable sizes, making cable installation flexible and tidy. The Chargestorm Connected 3 uses Torx screw terminals, providing easier access and more space for cables. This makes cable terminations safer and more consistent. The incoming terminals should be torqued down to 2.5 Newton meters. If the front panel has been removed, this must be refitted before powering up the charger. Powering on and configuring the Chargestorm Connected 3 is simple. Press the mode button for 3 seconds. The green light will then flash. Then connect to the charger using your smart device or laptop via Wi-Fi. Open a browser and navigate to a web address 192.168.7.2 to access the web interface. Log in using credentials provided in the installation pack. Further instructions for installing, configuring and troubleshooting the Chargestorm Connected 3 can be found in the provided installation manual or online at ctek.com.